Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add more than 10 addresses in Google Maps. So let's just learn about it. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So don't you worry about anything, and if you have any queries and any problem, just let me know in the comment section right away. So now what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps, and then on the bottom you'll be having an option which says contribute. Let's go over there, and then over here you'll be having an option which says add place. Just go over here and then let it load first, have some patience, and then like this. Okay, like this. Over here it just came, and over here just add the addresses or add the place name, and then addresses, edit on map, location within, add, if you want to add more details just add it, and then finally press and then after doing all this thing, all the categories that you require, just press submit and it will add a place or add addresses. So similarly just do it 10 times, and then you can add 10 addresses in Google Maps like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.